So on my face right now, I'm wearing my Shea facial serum, and I'm collaborating with Maria. Hold on, let me just bam. Okay, we're done with the press. Now I'm grabbing my Shades by Gal foundation, and I have the name linked below for you guys. But I want to thank Maria for collaborating with me. I love her look so much. We're doing a date night makeup and outfit of the day. Yo, my outfit looks so busted. It's not even funny, bruh. And then it was out of focus. Ugh. Oh my gosh. For this video, I stepped out of my comfort zone because you know what, I don't do outfits of the days, right? You guys know I don't do that, all right? But I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I actually like it. So hopefully, you know, I can get the whole looking at my outfit angles way better. But so I'm grabbing my my palette, and I'm just working. Just putting this look together as I'm sitting here doing it for you guys. And again, I want to thank you for your support, you guys, for just being here with me for this entire month, me introducing new talent here on my channel. Thank you so much for the support. I see you guys coming for me in the comments, and I also see people who understand the gesture of helping other YouTubers, whether you're local or international, helping other YouTubers who may not have the reach or the audience that I have. And it's I don't know, I like doing that. I like helping. So if me helping people offends you, then honey, you need to be checked. All right, sweetie. All right. There. That's it. That's enough. All right. Yes. So this look is going to be very smoky, very sultry. This is like definitely nighttime look. I will, however, not do the glow. I need to remember that when I'm doing my makeup, I'm actually going out during the day. So definitely you don't necessarily need to do the glow. If you want to, I mean, that's all you, but I don't think you need to do the glow. Just make sure your eyes are fair, so your lips are matte nude lipsticks. I prefer Lip is by Shanna. I think it's called Boss. No, not Boss Chick. Oh my god, I forgot the name, but she has a nude one there that I'm completely in love with. I recommend that because you can kiss all night and that sucker will not come off. So as I'm doing my makeup, I've been showing you guys what I'm using. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You guys have seen this so many times. I want to take this time out to say hi to all my new subscribers. Whoa, hey, how you doing? We're at 191,000. Are you kidding me? Aw, you guys, for the years that I've been doing YouTube, thank you so much for showing me so much love. For the month of April, I will be minimizing makeup videos. I hope you guys don't mind because I did so much for this month. This wig is by Annabelle Hair on AliExpress. This is my strobe powder in 40 watt by LA Girls. Yeah, so I will be doing more talking videos. A lot of reviews will be coming for the month of April. A lot of talking videos, a lot of wig making videos. So those will be what I'll be doing for the month of April. This is my Sasha Cosmetics partner in crime. I'm not very fond of it. I'm not very fond of Sasha Cosmetics formula. It's really thin, so I don't know, but I chose to wear this because this comes off easy as well. I don't know why. I guess I wanted a brown lip. There's a close thing I could get to a brown lip. Guys, this is the end of the video. It's short, I know, but it's to the point. You guys have seen me put my makeup on so many times. I didn't want to prolong it by adding longer clips. This is the look. Please check out Maria's video in the description bar below. Homegirl killed it. Her eye makeup is so gorgeous. Thanks for the support. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for checking out Annabelle here. It's linked in my description. Thanks for checking out Maria, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah. Later, yeah. Big up on yourself. That must say.
Oh, how you doing, sir? How you doing, ma'am? Just want to talk to you for a minute. Can I do that? Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello. How you doing? How you doing?